My name is Masomah. I'm 31 years old. Live in a small village in Styria, Austria called Bundschuh, and I'm an interpreter. I was born in Afghanistan in 1986. I didn't always feel very confident about my prosthesis, but over time, I've learned to cope with it better. I've come to accept it and even noticed that others are very interested in it. I feel that I'm Austrian and a European, but I can't deny or forget where I come from, and I don't want to. We worked together to open a library because we saw that many young people here who are originally from Afghanistan don't have access to literature or books. I then got a sea leg about 5 years ago, and I was very happy about it. I love being able to walk downstairs step over step, which is something I couldn't do very well before, and couldn't do very smoothly in particular, but now I can. My boyfriend and I decided to renovate a house, and we're enjoying it immensely. And the sea leg has really supported me with this. Being able to walk backwards has helped me, both during the renovation work and during our move prior to that as well. I always used to have a mechanical knee joint, and then switched directly to the sea leg. And I've really come to love it.